Hello and welcome to K1 Take Care. Acer laptop, mouse stopped working. Before you start to opening it and have a look, is a hardware damage or flex is damaged or whatever, or drivers or whatever. Before you start to do it, first have a look, the hotkey you got here. That is the disable and enable the mouse. What you have to do, if you look on the top there, if I do press the FN. In that case I have FN and the F7, that is disable and enable the mouse pad. Now is a stop, now is a start, enable it. Okay, now but still the mouse is not working. If I'm moving it here, it's nothing, cursor is there. So in that case you have to go to the BIOS, search for your particular laptop, how you enter the BIOS. In this one I have to restart it, press the ESC or F2. So let's start it, restart the laptop, restart, and as soon as the screens go dark, press the ESC or F2, depends on your laptop honestly. So go to BIOS, go to the main and look for the touchpad and change this one from advanced to the basic. Touchpad, enter, and from advanced change to the basic. Press the F10 to save your change, enter and let it restart it again, and all it should work. Now as you first check what the hotkey is not disable it. As well, Wi-Fi is, can you turn off the Wi-Fi on and off as well. Check your hotkey first on the top there, try to turn on and off. This is happened after the update in the Windows 10. Now you can see the mouse is there and it's working, because in the BIOS it was different setup. Now it starts working. Hope this video helped. If you have a question, drop me a comment or go to www.k1takecare.com. Thank you.